Welcome to Live Well Now with Teri Katzenberger. And yes, I am Teri Katzenberger. And I am so very blessed and honored that you chose to think a little bit more about yourself to join my private group, this private community of amazing women who are all in the same boat as you. Together, we share the same thoughts, feelings. We're paddling this same boat in life of anguish, inner turmoil, battles of the mind, internal warfare of obsessive compulsive dieting, self-image issues, chronic eating disorders, addictions, you name it, anything that causes such impulsive, compulsive behavior of wanting to live well, live healthy, well, fit, strong, and whole, to be happy, and just to be happy with ourselves. I will share with you everything that I have done to help myself live healthy, well, fit, strong, and whole, to overcome anxiety, depression, a chronic eating disorder, addictions, compulsive obsessive dieting, self-image issues, all of the above that has disabled me, that has paralyzed my life for over 20 years, that has caused me internal warfare, battles of my mind, anguish, self-hate. And I am here to tell you, you are not alone. We are in this together. We can grow young, healthy, and well together. And I'm going to teach you HALT, to hungry, to angry, to lonely, to tired, to hungry, to angry, to lonely, to tired. If you're like me, then I know you have spent thousands of dollars on infomercial stuff, online stuff, QVC things, anything out there, magazines telling us how to get flat abs, the super fat burning soup that you're burning a pound a night. Burn while you sleep, lose inches while you sleep, wake up and you're a size 6. I know all of that. I have spent countless hours and years taking the anguish and that depression and that anger, resentment, and bitterness out of wanting to live a healthy, well, fit, whole, strong life, to live well now. I have experienced it all. I have tried it all. From the lotions, the potions, the magic creams, the witchcrafty things, I have done it. And I am here to help you to embark on a brand new journey. And if you're wondering what makes this so different, what makes you different, I can answer you with this. With Live Well Now, you get me. I am in that boat with you, paddling right along. And I am here to tell you that I will never, ever have you do anything or teach you anything that I have not personally done or experienced. With Live Well Now, with Teri Katzenberger, you get only the real, raw truth. I am up close, I am personal, and I am unplugged. This journey and this topic is so dear to my heart that I am so very saddened and tired of watching women hate themselves, watching women be so unhappy with who they are. So I'm here to help you to unleash that woman within, to overcome all of our compulsive, obsessive behaviors regarding ourself and our image and our weight and how we look and feel from the inside out. And I will guarantee you this, we are better together, and I will walk right along with you on this journey. And your life will never be the same again, and you will be so very, very happy that you joined us.